Hi everyone. Let's talk on introduction to FastAPI, the latest trendy library for API development in Python. So this is a free of cost, like a free course I am trying to build in FastAPI. I am starting with the FastAPI in Python. So let's do more in coming days. Thank you for watching my video. Yeah, let's come back and what is FastAPI. So and its purpose, let us see what it is. So it is a web framework for building APIs in using Python. Okay, so let's take a simple use case. If you want to create an API to expose your application logic, such as creating API endpoints for users to send the data, retrieve information, or run some actions. So these are the different use cases you can build using FastAPI. So key features, let's see. FastAPI is known for its high performance, ease of use, and automatic document generation. So Swagger or OpenAPI format is built in for this FastAPI. So whenever you develop an API in this using FastAPI library, so when you run that server application, by default you will have documentation implemented for your APIs. Okay, it's a great for building a fast and efficient web services or backend systems. Okay, let's take some example. If you use FastAPI to create an API where users can interact with your app, such as authentication system, user authentication service, or task management system, or database management system. So such a applications you can develop using FastAPI. Thanks for watching. Let's go for a practical way of how do you develop a FastAPI application in Python. Let's start with a simple code in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.